How to add products to your Wix website step by step. First, go to your Wix website editor. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the search bar at the top and type in Wix Stores. This is the app you'll need to start selling products on your website. When you see Wix Stores appear in the search results, click on it to open the app page. Next, click the Add to Site button. Wix will automatically install the store for you and add a new store page section to your website. After it's installed, you'll be able to go to the Store Manager, where you can start adding your own products. Click Add Product, then upload photos, add product names, descriptions, prices, and any options like sizes or colors. When you're done, click Save and publish your site. That's it. You've added products to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.